This is Scott Scanlon from WebBiz Ideas, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to build social media into corporate web design. Social media has changed marketing. It really is a new paradigm of marketing. But why is social media important to incorporate within your web development, especially corporate web development? Well, the first thing is it shows that you care and it shows that you can be reached. Customer service in this day and age is really important, and social media plays a role in that. It also shows someone on a subconscious level that you're not going anywhere, that you engage with your customers. Also, younger generations expect it. When you look at the statistics around the amount of interaction that the younger generations have within social media, it's staggering. It's well over 90%. In fact, there's a statistics out there that says that over 90% of people under 25 are a member of at least one social network. It also gives you elements of social proof. So when a visitor, lands on your website and sees that you engage within social media, this shows that you have existing happy customers. It shows that you know how to perform really great customer service. And it really does give that element of the crowd. That's why it is one of those things that you just can't take away, that you can add to a website that enhance it. It's also another great engagement point for your visitor. The users that use social media, they'll find it important that you actually have it there. And even the users that don't, it provides them an additional outlet to learn more about you and your company. So let's talk about what you should do with social media. Like, what type of elements should you have? Well, the first is on 95% of your pages, you should have follow us buttons. And these are buttons like this that you see here, but I would go beyond that if you can. You really want to give someone a reason to follow you. So while these buttons are great, you should make these prominent on 95% of all your pages. There's also an element here that you should give someone a reason to follow you on Twitter or Facebook or Delicious or Flickr, whatever it may be. You have to give someone a reason. Are they going to get special offers, special pictures, whatever it may be? I think that's an important element we can discuss here. Also, there's what's called share buttons. And you might see these a lot here on blogs, but you can put these in elements of your corporate web design as well. The like button is new from Facebook, for instance, submitting a story to Digg, a share button, or even a retweet button for Twitter. At a bare minimum, what I would suggest is putting this share button here, which is from addthis.com, and this allows someone to click that button and it lists pretty much every social network out there that someone would be a part of. So let's say someone uses MySpace. Well, they can click this share this button and they can click the MySpace and it'll allow them to easily share your content on that social network. Widgets. Now these are interesting. These give you the ability to really show interaction from these social networks. These are where the social engagement really comes into play. Here's two examples, one from Facebook and one from Twitter. And this is showing the stream or the latest update. Also, it's showing the amount of fans, which can be powerful in itself. One of the nice things about Facebook is it actually will show whether or not someone's friend is a fan of something. And typically, most social groups, they tend to like the same type of things. So that drives engagement, it drives acquisition, and it really builds your list quickly. The About Us page. Now, there's studies out there that say what pages are visited the most. And this is something we've noticed ourselves in clients that we work with, which is one of the most visited pages. The About Us is one of the most visited pages on any corporate website, especially business to business. With that being said, I suggest that what you do with the About Us page is you turn it into a really good sales page. You think about layout, you think about copy, and you think about a call to action. That's a little bit contrary to what you would think it would be, but the most effective About Us page actually are drivers for business. They're business accelerator pages. The team page. This is the next most visited page. So you want a team page that if your corporation or your company has embraced social media, you want this team page to reflect that as well. So if you have executives that have embraced social media, you want them to link to Twitter or Facebook or whatever networks that they're part of. Or if you have different team members within your organization that do embrace social media for the business side, you definitely want to link it there in addition to the bio and the picture and everything else. Now, we put together a report at webbizideas.com that's how to build social media into your corporate web design. If you're on our website right now, you're probably looking at that report or you can see it. If you're on another location like YouTube, go to webbizideas.com and you'll be able to see a link to this report. Thank you, and forward. If you have any questions, you can email me at scott@webbizideas.com.